How to deal with fake Yelp reviews for your AC repair or appliance repair business. This is the Appliance Experts. Today we're talking about how to deal with fake Yelp reviews for your AC repair or appliance repair business. So let's briefly go through the rundown of what we're talking about. 1. How to delete a Yelp review. How do you go about deleting a fake review about your air conditioning repair business or appliance repair business? Why a business may need to remove bad Yelp review. Learn about some of the main reasons for removing bad Yelp reviews. Drawing unwanted attention to the business and hurting its reputation if you leave fake reviews alone. 2. Can Yelp reviews be faked? Yelp reviewers, including Yelp Elite members, confess to posting fake reviews for payment, according to a recent investigation. The first sign that a review is fake is the use of unfamiliar words. 3. How does Yelp handle fake reviews? As part of its manual moderation process, Yelp employs human moderators to review potential issues flagged up by business owners, community members, or its automated systems. Consumer alerts on profiles with fake Yelp reviews. The consumer alerts pop-up may appear on profiles suspected of benefiting from fake or paid reviews. Yelp's recommendation software for evaluation of reviews. Every review on Yelp is evaluated and graded by an automated system based on hundreds of signals of quality, reliability, and user activity. 4. Human moderators on Yelp reviews. The quality and integrity of Yelp's content are also maintained by human moderators who work separately from the recommendation software on the platform. 5. How do I remove a bad Yelp review? What about responding to bad Yelp reviews? Deleting a malicious Yelp review. Reporting the review to Yelp. 6. What if the Yelp review isn't removed? Yelp may also not see any fault in the negative review on your business profile, and in that case, won't remove it. If this happens, what do you do? 7. Learn more from other Yelp-related posts we have for you on our website. Finally, get your free digital marketing review session. If you want to learn more about what we are talking about in this latest article, make sure to check for the link in the description below. The article is going to be on our blog, and we also will post videos on our YouTube channel. Hope you found this information useful, and we will talk to you soon.